Hi everybody, it's Lulu La Vida, and today we have the super easy recipe. Some quesadillas, some flour tortillas on our griddle here. We make sure that it's warm. One side, turn it over. We go ahead and put our cheese. I like Monterey Jack, or you can have Chihuahua cheese, whatever you want. Half waist, and then you add whatever salsa you have on store. I have like this green salsa. Once it's put it up, fold it in half, and then I have my kettle here that's heavy, so I do it kind of like a panini. So I like it toasty. So you see, I turned it over and I do the same thing. I want the cheese to be all melty and gooey, so I do the same thing for maybe a minute or so. Turn it off. See, it's ready. Just cut it up and it's done. You can put any protein you want. You can have grilled chicken, carne asada, or some shrimp. Hope you guys enjoy it. Leave me a comment. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.